Hi, I'm Rob Newman. I'm the Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer of CoreShop, and I'm here with Dick Brunebjerg, who is the CTO and founder of Perfion. We're really excited about hosting and sponsoring the B2B e-commerce success conference. Dick, why should someone attend, and what would they get out of this conference?
That's a really good question. I would say if you love your customers, you should really join this conference, because it's primarily about getting all your product data up to date and ready so that you can service and please your customers with that, but also so that you can sell more products. And so come because you love your customers.
That actually is a fabulous point of view. Dick and I are both excited about seeing you there, and we're inviting you to the B2B e-commerce success conference, which is on June 24th. From 11 to 3 Eastern, that's 10 to 2 Central, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.